For our first piece today, we're going to be looking at the DDM4 PDW by Daniel Defense. This one's in the 300 blackout caliber. It's a great piece, highly recommend it. And the main reason we're showing you this today is to show how easy and uniform the AR-15 platform is for cleaning and maintenance. This specific piece only has a 7-inch barrel, but no matter the length of your barrel or the caliber of the gun, it's all going to be the same process. First, we're pulling back the pistol brace, just simply so it can get to those takedown pins. It kind of overhangs that first takedown pin. Going to push those in. You can use the tip of your finger if you have really small fingers, or usually some kind of tool. I recommend a plastic tool so you don't scratch the gun in any way. So pushing those pins, flip it over. You can grab the head of the pin, easily pull up, and there's not really any pressure on that, so they just separate easily. You don't have to worry about it springing open. So now you can see the lower. Pretty much the look of every lower of the AR-15 platform. Maybe a little bit fancier than others, but it's basically the same layout. And so we're going to get that buffer spring out first. You can see that tiny little pin I'm tapping on. It holds the retainer in. Push the pin. You can pull the whole spring out for cleaning and whatnot, or replacing, of course. And that is pretty much the lower. Easy to clean. Get in there with Q-tips or swatches. And now we're going to look at the upper. You can see the charging handle right there. There's little tabs you push. It flexes like a bow and arrow. You pull that back, and that'll let your whole bolt carrier group come right out. Take out the charging handle, and we are left with the upper assembly. Basically, that's as far as we need to take it down for cleaning. I can still get through the barrel and get all the essential parts. There are videos of much further takedowns available online. We're going to move right on to the basic disassembly. First, the firing pin, retaining pin. It's kind of like the head of a needle. You can use a very small little tool, maybe a paper clip, to pull that out. And I want to put that somewhere very safe, possibly a magnetic tray. It's that tiny little pin right there. Next, we're going to take out the firing pin. You can see right there, it just, boom, give it a tap on the table, it falls right out. And that'll allow the cam pin to become free. You turn that 90 degrees now freely, and you can either tap that on the table to get it out or use a small tool as well, as I just did there, and then the bolt comes right out. And there we have the beautiful bolt, AR-15. That is pretty much everything we need to do for cleaning purposes. So we'll leave it there today. Hope to see you back for the next video.